Hello everybody, so today we're going to replace the battery on a 2016 Kia Forte, and it is an 1.8 liter engine. So it's right here underneath the hood. And as far as tools, you're going to need a 10 millimeter and a 13 millimeter. Any power tools are plus. So the first thing I'm going to do is move this bolt that's holding the battery down. Should be a 13 millimeter. Oopsie. So take that out. Oh, I'll just take the battery out, and then that will come out with the battery. And then I'm going to loosen the negative terminal first. It's out the way. Now we do the positive. We do the deep socket. Easier. This thing is tight, but it's also a 10 millimeter. You get that loose, open it, move it out the way, and that's it. It's as easy as that. Now we're going to install the new battery. Put this here, it'd be easier to install. So put the battery here. Now we put this thing back in so the battery doesn't move. Align it. Tighten it by hand. So now we're going to do everything in reverse. So put the positive terminal back first. And the battery is not moving. Now we do the negative. And that's it. Now let's start the car. Starts right up. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching the video.